Is your Apple apps not working because of the Media Toolbox Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support specialist, and I'll help you re-register that library and end the crashes. To start the walkthrough for Media Toolbox Library, you can follow my technical guide or use a utility designed to optimize your system configuration. This is the Media Toolbox Library, a localized Windows port of the macOS Media Toolbox framework. It manages playback timing, high-precision A and V synchronization, and metadata parsing for iTunes and QuickTime. Let's get to work. We'll start with the most common fix for this specific error. Media Toolbox is commonly utilized in game graphics and audio processing routines. To resolve the error, install the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime to restore legacy DirectX-related DLLs, then update your GPU drivers to ensure full OpenCL and OpenGL support. If a standard reinstallation doesn't restore the library, we need to verify if the system environment is properly recognizing the new components. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including Media Toolbox Library. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. If the initial power cycle failed to restore functionality, we will now proceed to infrastructure-level support. You may pause the video now to ensure your environment is ready. If those core system files are still missing after the restart, we'll use DISM to pull fresh copies from the cloud. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM /online /cleanup image /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this triggers a deep cloud sync to replace corrupted local system manifests with verified master files directly from Microsoft servers. A brief word of caution: not all solutions found online adhere to professional security standards. Remember that Media Toolbox Library DLL is part of a complex ecosystem. Changing it manually without updating its dependencies can lead to permanent errors. To support your system's overall health without the complexity of manual directory management, a maintenance utility is a solid option. Review repair-related information for Media Toolbox Library by consulting the diagnostic utility linked below. Thank you for watching. To continue receiving professional-grade solutions for Media Toolbox Library and other PC errors, please subscribe to our support community.